guys, here's what I wanted to pass along to be able to disable the door chime on the 2009-2010 F-150s. It is the blue wire with the gray tracer on the opposite side of the key barrel. You want to cut that wire, and I put a couple of connectors in order to be able to reconnect it later if needed. The cover comes off with 3 screws on the bottom of the panel. Then you separate it with 2 tabs on either side of the steering wheel. Pretty easy as far as that goes. The only thing that I see is it does disable the feature that unlocks the doors if the keys are left in the ignition. So you will be able to lock your keys in your truck. Now with this wire cut, not an issue on mine because I have the door pad. So actually that would be kind of a nice feature. What I'll do is I'll reattach the wire, as you can see, locking the doors. The door will remain locked. I'll reattach the wire. As you can hear the chime come on. Here's what happens to the door locks. Unlocked, lock, as you can see. Unclip the wire. Kills door chime. Also disables the lockout feature. Hope this video helps you guys out, as I know the Ford has outdone themselves with this door chime. It's as annoying, or the most annoying out of any Ford product I've ever owned. Good luck.